Hi there, and welcome to today's presentation. My name's Andrew Price from NuWave Technologies, and today we're going to take a look at LightWave Server. We're going to have a quick look through the product itself and then take a look at a demo where we use an Amazon Echo to issue voice commands to a non-stop application. Some of you will be aware that NuWave develops two LightWave products, LightWave Server and LightWave Client. LightWave Server is a server-side middleware that allows your non-stop and non-stop applications to act as a server or a REST service provider. Therefore, you're exposing your non-stop applications as REST services. LightWave Client is client-side middleware that allows your non-stop and the non-stop application itself to act as a client or a REST service consumer, if you like, allowing you to access REST services on other platforms from your non-stop. So as I say, LightWave Server, which we're going to look at in more detail today, allows your non-stop and your non-stop applications to act as a server in the client-server paradigm, allowing you to securely and quickly expose your non-stop applications as REST services. This could allow you, for instance, to have your customers or business partners placing orders, checking inventory, or even making payments. And the services could be accessed by existing client applications, or you could develop new applications, mobile or web, utilizing that valuable information that's stored on your non-stop and your non-stop applications. So here's a high-level architectural overview of LightWave Server. You can see LightWave Server is running on the non-stop, runs under Guardian, no OSS required, and it sits in front of your existing non-stop applications, be they pathway servers or Guardian or OSS processors. Out on the left-hand side, we have our REST clients, and a variety of different REST clients are supported. In fact, any type of REST client is supported. And so typically you would have your REST client send a request in over JSON, over HTTP, JSON being JavaScript object notation. That request would come up to LightWave Server, who would translate it into an inter-process message, or IPM, that goes to the back-end application. And that would be a standard IPM that your existing application is used to receiving. Therefore, the back-end application requires no changes. The application processes that request and then returns an IPM back to LightWave Server as a response. LightWave Server converts that IPM into a JSON response and sends it back to the REST client. All done very easily and very quickly. So for today's demo, we're going to have a look at a very simple order entry server that we set up for demonstration purposes. This service allows orders to be entered using voice commands. The final order is reviewed on screen and then submitted. So the idea is that it would be used perhaps in a work environment where access to a keyboard or computer, a traditional computer, might be difficult, like a factory production line or a commercial kitchen, for instance. So the user would be issuing voice commands during the day for ingredients that they were short on, for instance, and then at the end of the shift they could review the order on screen and then submit the order. So as I mentioned, the architecture here would be that we have the LightWave server sitting in front of this order entry pathway server that we've written. And then out the front, really a variety of different client types could access that service. And today we'll look at the Amazon Echo accessing the service and also accessing from a browser. So I'll just flick over to my browser screen here. This is the very simple order entry application that I mentioned. There's no orders at the moment, so I'm going to issue a voice command to have an order added. Here we go. Alexa, ask order entry server to add LightWave client for TNSX.
LightWave client for TNSX has been added to your order.
It was a little quiet initially, but it said LightWave client for TNSX has been added to your order. And if I refresh my view over here, you can see LightWave client for TNSX has indeed been added. Let's try one more. Alexa, ask order entry server to add LightWave server for TNSX.
LightWave server for TNSX has been added to your order.
Refresh our screen and we can see now that we've got both products that have been added. We might now, at the end of the shift, want to review that. One of those was a mistake, so we update that order. Then we can submit the order once we've had that response, and you can see here that the update went up as an HTTP post and the response came back HTTP 200 OK. So that order's gone in. So flicking back to our slides, that's really all I had for today. A very quick look at how you can use LightWave Server and the Amazon Echo to issue voice commands and access your existing non-stop applications quickly and easily. If you'd like any more information, please use the links on your screen or feel free to get in contact with me either via phone or email. Thanks, and keep an eye out for more videos from NuWave Technologies. See you soon.